Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix account not found in DeepL. So actually guys, at first you will need to check you're using the correct email. Okay, so make sure there are no typos and try any other emails you might have used. Okay, so just watch for the .com versus .net and extra dots, no letters. Okay, and also guys, many users simply log in with the wrong email, so you can just double check the email that you are using or you are trying to sign in with. Okay, also guys, you will need to use the correct login method, and that's very important. So if you're originally signed up with let's say you signed up with a method, the Google, or continue with Google or continue with Apple, so you will need to go with the Google if you already signed up with it, or Apple if so. Okay, and if you try to log in with email and password instead, DeepL may say account not found even though your account exists. All right, and you might need to check if your account was ever created. So just ask yourself, did you actually finish sign up? Did you confirm your email? Check your inbox and spam and janks for DeepL welcome email and verification email. If not, your account may not exist yet, right? So just double check again, and you can check by trying to incubate an account again, for example. So just use the same email on the sign up that you can see and the blue color. Okay, so it's under the login to your account. Just tap it and try to create with or using the same email. Okay, so if it lets you sign up, your account didn't exist, and if it says email already in use, the account exists, try another login method. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.